Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an update on rice water and how I use it effectively these days. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so if you guys are new here, I have been using rice water since 2016. I have many videos on rice water and I will link them all down below in the description box. So I only use black rice for my hair treatments. I haven't used white rice in a really long time. I like black rice a lot better, and I have a whole video dedicated to black rice water, and I will link that down below as well. My hair responds better to black rice, and it doesn't have that infamous odor that everybody hates. So today I'm going to be making my rice water deep conditioning treatment, and this is a treatment that I only do once a month because it is very high in protein. So if you're trying to grow your hair fast, this is definitely a treatment that I recommend that you should do or you should try. You want to make sure that you balance out your protein with your moisture treatments. So alternate between moisturizing treatments and protein treatments. So you only want to do this treatment twice a month. I personally only do it once a month, but if you're trying to grow your hair out, do it twice a month. So this treatment is super easy. All you have to do is clean your rice water. And then go ahead and cover your rice with water, and you're gonna let that sit for 48 hours. So after 48 hours, this is how your rice water is going to look. It is going to have some type of pigment in it. It's going to look a dark brownish color. So for this deep conditioner treatment, I like to DIY it. If you don't want to DIY, you can just use your favorite deep conditioner and mix the rice water with that. But I'm a DIY girl, so I'll go ahead and I will take mayonnaise. And I will take about 8 scoops of mayonnaise, 8 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and put it into a bowl. Mayonnaise is also very high in protein, so that is why I stress to not overdo this treatment and only to do it twice a month. But it strengthens your hair and it makes your hair really strong. Next, you want to take 2 tablespoons of honey. And honey is absolutely amazing for the hair. It seals in moisture, it prevents breakage, and it also strengthens the hair follicles. Next, I'm going to be putting the Mayo hair growth oil into this mixture, and this hair growth oil is all natural and it has 12 different oils in it that are proven to grow out your hair. So I'm going to be using 2 full drops of the Mayo hair growth oil. And lastly, all you need is your rice water. So I'm going to go ahead and take 1/4 cup of my rice water and add it to my deep conditioning treatment. I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together, and I have my intense rice water hair growth deep conditioning treatment. I'm going to save half of this rice water for later, and I'm going to make sure I keep this refrigerated and it will last for a couple of weeks. And lastly, I'm going to take the rest of the leftover rice water and put it into a spray bottle so I can have my leave-in rice water spray. Alright, so now on to application of my rice water deep conditioning treatment. As you can see, this is a really runny hair conditioner, so you want to make sure that you aren't getting it all over the place. So make sure that you lay down a towel or something because it can get messy. So I like to apply this all over my hair and scalp, focusing on my roots and ends. After I'm done fully saturating my hair with the rice water deep conditioning treatment, I will go ahead and take my rice water leave-in and spray that all over my scalp. I'll put a plastic cap on and I will leave this treatment in my hair for up to 2 hours. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after 2 hours, and I will go ahead and rinse all of this product out of my hair. And this is how my hair turned out. Looks really, really moisturized and healthy looking. And my hair absolutely loves that treatment. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!